In this video, I'm going to share with you a very important process which is known as shadowing. I'm going to cover what do you mean by shadowing, what are the benefits that you get from shadowing or practicing this process, and how to do this process, right? So if you are someone who is willing to improve your fluency and work on your spoken English, then this video is. Hi everyone, my name is Ishan Sen Gupta, and I am a certified public speaking coach and a soft skills trainer. I help you to speak with impact and with confidence in any impromptu situation. By shadowing is nothing but it is a process where you mimic a native speaker. It is also a process where you kind of initially listen to a speaker at an early stage and later you repeat what that. What are the benefits of practicing this process? See, it's a very, very simple process and the benefits are immense. The first and the most important advantage that you get after practicing this technique is whenever you try to imitate or mimic uh, a native speaker and try to look for their way of speaking, it gradually helps you to improve your fluency. So yes, your fluency also gets number developed. 3, the more you hear, the better your listening power improves. Your listening power gets strengthened. What shadowing does is it helps you to kind of understand your voice and to play with your tone, that we say as intonation. So intonation is nothing but how you vary your tone. For example, if I have to say that Happy is a very good boy, but he's also a little mischievous. So you see, when I say but, he's also a little mischievous. So the change of my voice tone here is into helps you the more you kind of pay attention to these finer details and thus practice shadowing. What is the process of doing this technique, that is shadowing? The first step is try to pick up any video or any content related to English, because here our preference is to improve our spoken English. So give importance to English content. So try to pick up any such native speakers. It can be any motivational content, it can be any educational content, or it can be any kind of content related to your particular stream. So try to identify those personality or those speakers, those orators, and prepare a list. So that's the first. Second step is to play their videos or to hear their podcast and just listen to how they say what they say. If there is something very much interesting, try to write it down and play it again and again, and try to give importance to listening aspect as well. Third step is every day try to spend, let's say you have picked up a content of 5 minute length. Now the third step is where you try to play the video and give a pause, and then you repeat it whatever you have understood it, and then again play it and again repeat it. So this should continue for a while until you. The fourth step is, now that you are little confident of your speaking, what you should look forward is to play the entire video and then pause it, and now you should try to explain in your own words how or what you have understood. This will definitely help you to improve your vocabulary as well as your fluency. The last step is to be consistent with this process, because my dear friends, consistency is this key. And in today's era, if you want to stand out, you need to have variety in your speaking skills, and to have that, you need to definitely give importance to practice this very, very important and simple technique known as shadow. I was very clear in what I have explained in this video. If you have any doubts, do comment me in the comment section. Before you go, please don't forget to check out my channel. If you love my content, do support it by subscribing it.